Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we'll start the second part of the tutorial that we have just started. In the first part, we have learned that how you will create a project in the Altium and how you will create different libraries in your Altium. The project that we have started. For that project, we need three components. The first one is the header, second one is the register, the third one is the LED, and we have all created all these objects in the first part of our tutorial. Now you will have to just place these for and the schematic patch you can see it here very clearly. So to place the objects here you have to go towards the library. If you cannot see this, you can just move towards the panel. From the panel you can select the libraries, and here you can see the all the components that we have just created. The first one you can see it here, that is the header, and the second one is the resistor, and the third one is the LED. So to place these objects on the schematic page, you can use different methods. You can just left click and drag it to the schematic page. You can delete it, and you have to just right click on it, or just you have to place it and drag it here. For doing, you have to the second object, that is the resistor, place it on schematic page. For rotating, you have to just do the space bar, and to finish this one you have to just click escape. So now place the green LED, uh, left click, drag it to the schematic, click spacebar to rotate it, and to delete the or finish it you have to press escape. Now we have to connect all of these. So if you want to rotate the object, you have to select each component. Let's suppose I have to select the resistor, then I have to select the space bar, so it will be rotated according to my needs. Now you need to connect all these components. So let's move towards the place. Click it, and you have to select the wire from here, or you can use Control W for placing the wire from here. So to start trying, you have to place the cursor on it. Here you can see it here, that if you have placed correctly, you can see the crosshair. It will show that it's connected to the egg. So to start, you have to just left click on the fin, and so you have to just click left, left, and left, left click, left click, left click, left click. It's not showing the full screen on my laptop, so you don't need to be worried. It just have you can see it here, it will have only the wire that I have just connected to the second fin of the header with the green LED, so you don't need to be get confused here. Now I will draw some lines here also. So left click, it will show draw the line. So to cancel, you have to click right on your mouse, and I have to create this line also at the bottom. Right, left click, sorry, and you have to cancel it. You have to just click right of your mouse. So now you have to place power port, 3 volt power port here, and the ground port here. So go down here and select the properties. Zoom it out. So you can use the place of power port, and we can also use the active power port. So there it is, the ground power port. We will select it. So we need the 3.4 power port here. So we have And this change the style, select the bar, and also change angle value that is 9. And we have to rename it to this 3 4.3, and we have to place it just at that point. Now we will have to select another model in the style will be all round and the degree will be 267, and we will have to rename it very down, and we have to place it down the edges. So to cancel it, we have to move. So this is the final schematic of our project. In the next part of the tutorial number 1, that is the part number 3, in which we will create the footprint of this project. So hope see you in the next part of the tutorial number 1. That's you.